Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing algebraic fraction. We focus our attention on addition and subtraction. In our last class, we'll be able to iron out simplification of algebraic fraction. If you have not seen that video, very interesting, kindly check out our YouTube channel and check it out. It will go a long way to fresh up our memory. Now, we'll concentrate on addition and subtraction of algebraic fraction. As you can see on the screen, we have two questions there. The first one is subtraction, the second one is addition. So we'll solve the two questions very easy and straightforward. As you journey through this video, you will understand the basics and how addition and subtraction of algebraic fraction operates. Okay. Let's see solution number 1. Awesome. Now, like we have said it over and over again, whenever you are working with fraction, which is addition or subtraction, you are going to work with LCM. Like we have here, this is 4 over x minus 3 minus 1 over x plus 2. So, let's see how we can work with the LCM. Let's just use this as a template. Let's use this as a template. Now, the LCM of x minus 3 and x plus 3 is actually both of them because this is not ordinary number. So the LCM will be what? X minus 3 and x plus 2. Awesome. So that's the LCM. Let's move this one here. Beautiful. So the LCM of this and this is what we have here, x minus 3, x plus 2. So how many times will x minus 3 goes in x minus 3, x plus 2? It's just like saying x minus 3 will cancel x minus 3. So we'll be left with what? S plus 2. S plus 2 times 4. That means we'll now have 4 times s plus 2. Beautiful. That is that for that. This minus that is here will be there. Minus. Now the same thing. How many times will s plus 2 goes in s minus 3, s plus 2? It's just like saying s plus 2 will cancel s plus 2. You'll be left with what? S minus 3. S minus 3 times 1. Anything times 1 will give you that thing. So there's no need of writing 1 again. So you'll be left with what? S minus 3. Beautiful. Awesome. So we'll be able to get the LCM of what we have here. So let's now work with this that we now have. Awesome. So let's open up the brackets and see what we have. 4 times x will give you what? 4x. Let's open up the bracket. 4 times x will give you what? 4x. 4 times 2 because it's plus. 4 times 2 will give you what? 8. Minus times this x will give you what? Minus x. Then minus times minus here. You know, if you have 1 here, we'll just say minus 1 times x will give you what? Minus 1x. Minus 1 times minus 3 will give us plus 3. Awesome. So we'll be able to open up the brackets here. 4x plus 8 minus s plus 3. We'll be able to next thing for us, we can rearrange if we like, but before then, since we have opened up the bracket at the numerator, let's open up the bracket at the denominator as well. Okay, let's quickly do that. X times x give us s squared. Awesome. Okay. Beautiful. So x times x will give us s squared. X times 2 here will give us 2x. We've been able to do for this. Now go to the next one. Minus 3 times x will give us what? Minus 3x. And minus 3 times 2 will give us what? Minus 6. Beautiful. So we open up the brackets for the numerator and the denominator. Awesome. Okay, let's do that again. Beautiful. So now let's see what we can do. Should we rearrange? Okay, let's quickly rearrange. We have 4x here, we have x here. Let's bring it together. So now I have 4x minus. Let's just bring them together. And this 4x, this is it. This minus x, this is it. So we have plus 8 and plus 3. It's just a rearrangement. 4x and minus 3. Minus x, this is it. This plus 8 and plus 3, this is it. Just a rearrangement. Let's do that here at the denominator as well. We have x squared plus 2x minus 3x. It's just like saying minus 3x plus 2x. So once a negative sign is having the bigger one, so your answer will definitely be negative. So we say plus 2x is just like saying 2 minus 3. You have minus 1. So your left is what? Minus x. Awesome. So having done that, our job has been made easier. Beautiful. So 4x minus x is just like saying 4x minus 1x. You have 3x. Beautiful. Now say 8 plus 3. You have 11. We are through with the numerator. Then the denominator, let's go. You have s squared. There's nothing that looks like x squared among these 3. You have x. There's nothing that looks like x. You have 6. So there's nothing you can do again with this denominator that you have. So your answer will definitely be 3x plus 11 all over s squared minus x minus 6. Awesome. So let's go straight to the second question. Let's say solution 2. Beautiful. We go through the same process. We look for the LCM, we sort it out, and get our final answer. Let's quickly do that. So let's use one of these as a template for our LCM. Awesome. So what's the LCM of 2AB and 3BC? LCM of 2AB and 3BC to be both of them, 2AB and 3BC. 2AB and 3BC. That's the LCM. You can still multiply it together, you still get the same answer anyway. So let's go. How many times will 2AB go in 2AB, 3BC? It's just like saying 2AB will cancel 2AB. So you will be left with 3BC. So 3BC times 3. So you say 3BC times 3. That's what you have. So you have plus here. Awesome. So let's look for this one. How many times will 3BC go in 2AB and 3BC? It's just like saying 3BC will cancel 3BC. So you'll be left with what? 2AB. So you now say 2AB times 4. So you now have 4 times 2AB. Beautiful. So let's adjust this here. That can be at the middle. Awesome. So with this now, we can now say let's multiply 3 times 3BC. That will give us 9BC. That's the meaning. That will give us 9BC. Awesome. So 4 times 2AB. That will give us 8AB. That will give us 8AB. Awesome. Over what we have down here. Beautiful. So let's times this one too. Let's times it. 2AB times 3BC. You say 2 times 3. It will give you what? Times 3 will give you 6. You have A here. You don't have here. You have B here. You have B here. You have C here. You don't have here. So you now have 6 A B square C, because B is 2 times. So let's make use of that. Awesome. Let's get a template that will stand for our square. Awesome. So can do this. Beautiful. So let's times 2 times 3 will give us what? 6. A, we have A here. There is no A here. So let's add our A. We have B here. We have B here. That's B squared. Then we have C only here. We don't have here. So we can do our C to be here. So we have 6AB squared C. Also, after multiplying what you have down there. Beautiful. So having done that, we can now say, let's do away with this. Awesome. So having done that now, 9BC, 8AB. Okay, let's see if there's anything that is common that we can work with. Beautiful. So up here we have 9BC, 8AB. Okay, B, we have B here, we have B here. So B is common to both sides. Up here, B is common. So if you remove B from here, which has gone out, we'll be left with what? 9C. If you remove B from here, which is common, we'll be left with what? 8A. Awesome. Can we leave our answer this way? Is there anything we can see? Okay. We have B up here, we have B down here. So that means you can still eliminate both B's. Beautiful. So that means this B can cancel out. You know we have 2 B's here, two of them, so you can cancel out 1. So we'll be left with awesome. So this we have 2 B's here. 1 has gone, so we'll be left with 6 A B C. Awesome. Okay. This B that we have up here also has gone because it has cancelled out. Beautiful. So I think that's what we can do. Awesome. So we've been able to iron out our second question as well. So that's our answer. 9c plus 8a all over 8abc. You can always pause and rewind this video for better clarification and understanding. If you have any issue with this video or any of our video, kindly drop a comment here. We will reply, or if you have a question, we will reply as soon as we can. Kindly help like this video and help us subscribe to this YouTube channel, My Simple Maths, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you can always receive notification from us whenever we post a new video. Thank you.